Welcome back to the Seaport Solutions YouTube channel. Very excited to introduce to you what we're calling Collaboration Cube, or C-Cube. In the commercial furniture marketplace, organizations like Herman Miller, Steelcase, Knoll, Technion, Hayworth, they've all been trying to figure out how to bring the latest in collaboration technology to the masses of the knowledge workers. You know, for a long time, Seaport's been really working on the mobilization, the convergence, and the simplification of collaboration technologies that can be rolled from room to room, cube to cube, office to office. Well, we're very excited about our latest invention that we're bringing to the market that allows for commercial furniture companies to not think about the mobility of collaboration technologies coming to a cube and then leaving and going to another location, but actually being integrated fully into the cube environment so that when a knowledge worker that is in office base comes in and they enter into their cube, they're not entering into a cube, they're entering into a collaboration environment, a collaboration station, a collaboration cube, what we call the C-Cube. So what we've done is we've actually taken one of our OmniPorts, our 70-inch OmniPort, and what we're going to show you with this adaptation of our 70-inch OmniPort in the C-Cube can be applied all the way down to our smallest device, which is our 22-inch OmniPort, or as large as our 70, which is the largest to date that we've got in the marketplace. But what we enable is to take our OmniPort solutions and actually go in and fully integrate them into the cube structure so that when an employee comes in and they go into their cube, they're working in a full collaborative space. And they don't have to go to a conference room or a boardroom or travel, thousands of miles away to go into the latest types of advanced collaboration rooms. It is their workspace every single day. So come go with me for a walk. And what you'll see in our office here in Atlanta, we've taken what this whole space used to be a cube environment, and we've broken it down into where we've got one cube left, and we're showing how what we're doing is we're taking an existing cube system, we're simulating a Herman Miller environment. As you'll notice, our Herman Miller Aeron chair here. But what you'll notice we've done is we've actually fully integrated the OmniPort 70, which is based on the C-View 70-inch platform, which does full convergence, the entire computing platform, high-definition video conferencing. Everything is in this environment. All of the speakers, the microphones, the volume controls, one-touch power on, the type of experience you would expect from a tablet like an iPad or a Galaxy tablet is right here in this space, except in this one, it's a 70-inch canvas to do any type of collaborative work. Whiteboarding, brainstorming, video conferencing, web conferencing, audio conferencing, or all of those things at the same time. And I can be here and connect to anyone in the world, whether in my own company or to any other organization throughout the world. And what we'll talk about is how we've done this type of integration. Literally, all we had to do was to come in and remove, you'll notice this 2-foot panel here. What we had to do was to remove a 4-foot and a 3-foot panel from this section, roll the 70-inch OmniPort in, and then reattach to this structure the cubicles. So what you're seeing is full integration into the OmniPort. And so when I come in every day and I sit down, all I've got to do is have a seat and touch the one power button to turn the system on. Again, it's got full HD speakers, it's got a volume control so I can control the sound so that I'm not challenging my neighbors, but if I need to have multiple people in, they can come in. You'll notice the computing platform is booting up. We're running a full Windows 7 Ultimate environment, which will sit on top of any corporate network environment. We're also challenging the CIOs in the global space to rethink how they equip knowledge workers with technology. Because if we'll equip every cube with a C-Cube, regardless of whether it's 70 inches or as small as 22 inches, this is where you have all of your computing platform as well as video conferencing, web conferencing, audio conferencing. But then I can fully integrate it with the technology that I desire the most, which is tablet computing. This is what I take when I leave the office. And everything that I do here when I'm here all day, I can do anywhere in the world as long as I've got my iPad, my iPhone, my Galaxy tablet, my Motorola Zoom, or my PC or my MacBook. It really doesn't matter because I can drive this entire experience from anywhere in the world, have the same capability. What you'll notice when I turn the system on is that our NavPort user interface came on. So all of our other videos that you've seen on our website about the power of what NavPort brings into the simplification of being able to do the kind of work that knowledge workers need to do is right here. So one touch for audio conferencing, one touch for video conferencing, or web conferencing, one touch for video conferencing. I am now in a full Polycom high-definition video conferencing experience. How do I know that? Because here I am. Now, you'll notice the Polycom user interface, but I still have my nav port in the background. This is a multi-touch environment, so if I want to get back to the computer, all I've got to do is touch the home key, and I'm right back in. I want a whiteboard. All I've got to do is hit the whiteboard. I need to brainstorm. I can do that. Grab a pen and start right here, right? I can do that. And I can bring everybody into this brainstorming session. I can save this and email it out, right? While I'm in the PowerPoint, I may want to go into a video conference. Just touch the video conferencing icon and place a call, right? I can just call anyone that's got standard video conferencing and connect them in. Or if I don't want to do this, right, then I can actually go back out to the computer, one touch, and I can do a WebEx web conference or an audio conference, or I can do all these things at the same time. This is the latest in what is about to become the new standard for how workspaces will be equipped with communication and collaboration technology. When I come into my cube, I got everything I need. I don't have to go down the hall, around the campus to get to the telepresence room. It's in my office. And we've priced it in a way that it's affordable all the way down to every workstation for every knowledge worker. Very revolutionary in our point of view. Let me show you corporate furniture enthusiasts of the world really what this is like. So if I'll ask my camera person to actually just follow me here, what you'll notice is just it's a standard cube environment. So imagine now you're walking down the hall of a cube, and I want to kind of show you on the backside what this is really like. And so we've opened up what we would consider the access aisle. So down this portion, let's say your neighbor's cube is over here. This is where all the technology is. So we've opened it up so you can actually see what it would be like to actually get in and service. But inside of the OmniPort is where we have our computing platform, our video conferencing platform, our HD speakers, and so forth. And so what that means is that for facilities management, all we have to do is remove one access panel and walk down the service aisle in between a set of cubes over here and a set of cubes over here, and I've got full access for any maintenance or support that I need to do on the collaboration station, the C cube. Once we've done any type of work, we just close this thing back on, and we step out, close off the access panel, and from an access for work or maintenance, it's very simple, but relative to adhering to design standards for interior design and architecture, we feel like we've delivered on a call that corporate furniture designers have been looking for several years now. So we're very excited about what we're doing here with C-Cube. We look forward to hearing from you. Please visit our website at cportsolutions.com. Thank you very much.